In the previous video, we showed you all the progress done in 3 months. The room's beautiful stone facade, the inner walls, the concrete lintels, the outer shell of the extension, the bathroom window installed, and the main window. Also the door that Omar and I restored. Then we arrived back to Portugal, enjoying more of our return here, and now it is time to start the ring beams of Mom's room. And we're also eager to start. We also added a maybe ridiculous deadline to us of June 2023. And to make it all really interesting, I also started to do a veggie garden. So next is the ring beam of the room and the plumbing and electricity of the extension. So as soon as we could, we resumed our build.
Okay, so basically what I'm doing is trimming the pipe so I can fit these bits in, and so they're going to be the waste pipes for our shower and for our washing machine and our sink. At the moment it's a bit of a jigsaw, as it always is, so I'm just trimming everything up. I've got some measurements. I'm going to be trimming them using the good old angle grinder. This is going to be for the shower.
Yeah.
This one is going to be for the kitchen sink.
Yeah.
We're going to have to put the sink for the bathroom in one of those.
Yeah.
Probably that one.
Okay.
And that one is for the washing machine.
Over there. And then the end is connecting to the waste pipe.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So now we can
And
stick it
Simon
under.
is just talking to... We're gonna have more help because we're not professionals and we're not going to be doing roofs and stuff like that because, you know,
We'll do as much as we can.
because we're not professionals and we're talking about structural work. I'm sure you're already seeing what we've done with that Victorian house in England. That's like what we can do. You know, well, when we did this, that was pretty fun and that was way beyond our experience. But slowly, you know, stonework and structural stuff, we leave it to the professional. Roofs, leave it to the professionals. We can possibly pass tiles and do notches. That we can do.
Okay, so that's going over here.
And do plumbing.
Yeah, plumbing's easy.
Omar's speciality is also
Well, it's not easy. Plumbing is not easy.
electricity. Omar can do really well.
Okay, so let's go back to the other side. Okay, so we're in here. I'm setting all the pipe work out for the grey water and the dirty water from the toilet. And so just to kind of show you where everything is going to be, I know it's very hard to visualize right now, but over here there's going to be a washing machine.
This is why he's wobbly.
Yes, there is no floor. So over there there's going to be a big table, and underneath that table from this direction you'll be able to access a washing machine. And so there's a waste pipe that I've just put in over here. I haven't plugged them all in yet. And then our main waste is running along this length of the building. That's going to be the washing machine. This one is the toilet pipe. There's a pipe just there which is going over to where the kitchen sink will be. And then another one over here which is going to go into the bathroom. And that's where the sink for the bathroom is going to be. And then at the end of the pipe there is not an expander, making it smaller, which is going to hook up to the shower. So yeah, very exciting.
So this is the first day we are doing works in here. How does it feel?
Amazing.
To be back doing our works and
Absolutely
our home.
Amazing. about the Vaseline. It's much better than washing off liquid. Alright. There we go. Toilet ready. So I'll hold that just there. That might fit. Is that at the base? Yeah, I literally just want to take off a tiny amount.
Look at the lovely view we're gonna have from here.
There you go, that's where it's going. It needs lifting, it needs something up there. Cool. Yeah.
You finished?
Well, yeah, I still want to do that one. And then I want to put a 90-degree over there. Put this thing over there, this temporarily, then put the kitchen back over here.
So 90-degree over there, so you can put the sink here.
Yeah, so the sink is going to empty into it.
Perfect.
Let's just put this kitchen back.
Okay.
So
Let's do that. Sounds awesome.
Good step too.
Do you want me to help you with anything? You want me to pass you stuff?
I sort of got to look for each piece individually. That's the thing. Because it's
What
this
about
last
this?
bit. The stones need to be just the right shape. They need to be strong ones because of the
Yeah.
weight of the lintel,
Okay.
and they have to end there, basically, or just below it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to run a string from there to the front of the shuttering, yeah?
Okay.
And then we're going to match the string on our angly thing, which is set to the angle of the other roof, so we get the pitch right.
Okay.
And then we're going to go up, down until it's matching the angle. And then we can take a measurement and know how long our barrottes need to be.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah, and we only need to do it this end because that end's not going to be as big.
Okay.
So as long as they fit this end, they'll definitely fit that end.
Oh, I see.
That is the plan.
Very clever.
Well, I'm up for other ways of doing it. That's the way I
I'm
think
sure
of
there are many
doing it.
ways to do it. But
Yeah.
this is. So I stay here?
I'll go and get the and we'll whack it in, yeah.
Okay.
I guess. More or less like that. Your mission is to remember 2.65.
2.6.
Okay.
No, man, I needed 2.65.
What was it?
2.6.
8943
5?
247.
I can't remember. Wasn't it a 3 or a 4?
I just wrote it down on my arm.
Yeah, you got it? Or should I measure again?
2.65.
Okay. Right.
I don't know if you see it, but right here there is a line, and that's measuring the pitch roughly of the roof, because we got that angle already, and that's the bottom of the barrots or rafters, and we just need this side because that side over here it's shorter, so we know that the wood fits in here as well, because this wall over here is much longer, much wider.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Well, yeah. Okay. That's more or less it. 3.82 long. Plus more. 3.8. And the other thing we've got to do is
The angle.
we've got to check that pitch is enough for a roof. It's roughly that. Okay. What you'll find is when you do rendering, every different type of rock will suck the water in a different speed.
Oh,
So
okay.
you want to wet the surface down until it stops absorbing,
Oh,
but not
okay.
so the water's running down it with render. Not so, doesn't matter so much with this, but you'll find a big lump of concrete like that will suck it in so fast, and you go there and you do the wall, and then you go back to push it around, and it's gone dry there already.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's completely different. That area will be completely different to all of this when you render it. It'll look the same when it's dry, but it works differently.
So it's the next morning. It's a lovely morning, very sunny. It was a little bit foggy this morning, but slowly getting a little bit better. And then, you know, by the end, by midday, it's gonna get nice and hot. But today we're going to be doing the ring beam, which is really exciting. It's gonna be a hard day today. Simon already started like an hour ago. Just had breakfast and and ready to go now to help. But it's a very exciting day because that's the first bit to get done before we can get a roof on for that room, and it's going to be very exciting. So let's start the day. After a quick teaching session on how to make concrete for beams and the ratios, we proceeded to start the mix. Unfortunately, the noise that this machine makes, it's pretty awful. So let's do this part of the video with some nice lovely background music. We still have that one there to do, but this one here There's more steel that needs to come up here, because that line there is where the central beam is gonna go. But there is like more that need to be put on. It's all finished now. So it's all poured. This has been a very productive morning. It's probably about 11 o'clock. Really good. Very productive morning. Omar is now streaming. That's his specialty. He's the pro here.
It's not something I enjoy that much. No one told me it was going to have this much streaming.
Yeah, no, you need to stream the land quite a lot, so that's been done. There's more wood to burn. And I just want to show you the wood, because a lot of people are like, why, saving it? And you're wasting away wood. Well, it's going to be ash for this area, which is going to be the vegetable patch. But I just want to show you. It's not very good wood. It's also full of chemicals. So you can't really burn it indoor for a fireplace. We don't even have a fireplace, and so fireplace wood, it doesn't really apply to us. And it's also, a lot of it is very crumbling. You see, like you can't really build stuff with it. You see, like a lot of it is like that. And to burn it, if you burn that, it would just take minutes to burn, which it really actually happens. All the wood that we can use has been saved. Don't worry, we don't like wasting stuff. It's not good. It's not very environmentally friendly. It's true. You see, a lot of wood is there. That's being saved, and there's a lot of chestnut that was there before. That's been saved, and there was another pile somewhere else for that area over here, so we can reconstruct it. So that's been saved as well. But yeah, no, unfortunately, a lot of the time you can't really reuse stuff, because it turns out that it's just not fit for purpose anymore. And yeah, so that's been today. Mom is here checking her room out. She's very happy. And yes, a lovely day. Look at this. And it's quiet, gorgeous. Very, very, very nice day. Look at that stone wall. I'm really in awe. Beautiful. Ready to stream again?
Yep, I just re-threaded everything. Always fun. Now, I'm going to try out this new one. It's made by Makita, my favourite brand.
Oh, okay.
So,
is it like a partner?
It's a type of thread that's kind of got like some sort of reinforcement inside.
Okay, so it's like a partner brand, because it says Dolmar.
Yeah, something like that.
Oh yeah, it says Makita there.
Yeah.
Makita
the other
brand.
one I have is like a squared thread, which is really sharp. But it's a little bit fat, so I had to modify my strimmer to make it work, which I shouldn't have really done. I should have used a crisscross kind of attachment instead of messing up my strimmer. But this one, we'll see. The guy says this is really good, so I'm gonna give it a go.
And my mom is here. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien.
Sí.
Cool.
Bien feliz.
Happy. And this is
It's gonna get loud.
And this is how it looks now. We took everything yesterday and we placed the pipes, and we just added this, momentarily to be able to use the washing stuff. But look how pretty it looks here. I really like the wood. I don't really want to cover it, but we have to because of insulation and all of that. But maybe we should do ton and groove. What do you think? Because we're thinking about doing plasterboard, or maybe it might be a better idea to do tongue and groove. I don't know. Tell me, what would you do if you had a beautiful wooden room like this that has a lot of personality already? Do you cover the personality?
Basically. Okay, let's pop up some more muck.
Hello and good morning. I'm here in the container. It's looking really pretty and clean. Well, this is as clean as you can get because there is no space for everything. But I'm really proud of it actually because I can walk around. And yeah, it's a really nice morning. It's Monday today. I got my coffee going. And it's gonna be a little bit of everything. Simon is already at it with the shuttering. He's doing the shuttering of one of the walls, and Omar is organizing the granny annex area because it's like our workshop and it's really messy. So we're doing that, and my mom and my sister are coming over later, and we're going to be doing some cleaning, and we're going to be doing some burning of the wood over there. And I'm going to have to save some of the wood because I'm going to use them as stake, because that's where our vegetable garden is going to go. Hopefully, eventually, that's the plan for this year. And but yeah, it's really good. I already registered the fire, and they should be here soon, I hope. And good morning.
Good morning.
And yeah, it's a really beautiful morning. I show you. It never gets old. We've got a gatinho going over here. So this is as much as we came last week, which is brilliant. I don't know how I got it. That'd be cool. And then the other foundation, sorry, shuttering in there on the inside. Probably asking yourself why we're not doing any of the building over there. It's because we like to leave that to people that know how to do it. We also are in a very tight schedule. We really want Mom to be here. When do you say she would?
We're aiming for June.
We're aiming for June, which is pretty ambitious in my opinion. But you know, if Omar says we can do it. We're gonna get more people here to do their roof. We're gonna have another 2 people working on it. And it's because we just want it to be quick, you know. I think if we did it, it'd just be, I don't know. I don't think I want to put that much pressure on me and Omar. And also we want Mom to be here very soon. Mom is with Jai, and I don't know if you know, but my sister lives here. She's been here for like, I want to say 12 years. I think it's actually 12 years, yeah. She loves it here, and that's why we moved in here. And then, you know, Mom, after what happened last year, my dad passed away last year. We said to my mom, why don't you come to Portugal with us? And luckily she said yes. And now we are almost the whole family here, which is amazing. We only miss my other sister and her kids. And hopefully they come in this summer. So we'll be all here. And yeah, and Simon's our brother-in-law, so it's all very family orientated over here. We're very lucky to have him and to help us, and then have another person who's very good with wood coming later to do our roof. So very, very lucky indeed. Hey, so the holes are on the other side. How do you fill them up? Do you stuff bags in it, or?
These holes?
Yeah,
Cement bags.
cement bags, isn't it?
Yeah, and well, rocks primarily, and then cement bags.
Oh, okay.
Put
Big
some rocks
rock.
in there.
Big rocks.
Yeah, or anything that would just fill the gap. What it is, it's got to be pretty much straight all the way along it, hence the string. You have to go up a little bit over there.
My mom and Jai are here. They're gonna help me. They're very shy. ¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien.
Contenta.
Contenta de estar aquí, en este
Me
paraíso.
too, me too. Lovely day,
Well, she's
lovely
been here
weather.
12 years, so of course, yeah.
Yes. Un día muy lindo.
Muy lindo.
Estas son tejas antiguas.
Sí. Para que las hacen así, ¿no?
Leg tiles. Ven ahí a la cámara.
They're called leg tiles because they used to
ok.
make them in there.
Ah,
Pero en portugués, canudo. ¿Dónde lo pongo, mi tú?
Problema.
¿Puede, Andrea? No, está muy pesado.
Yo lo hago.
Dale, pues. Like, That's what Simon has done on this side, lining it up. So you can continue on the top very straight. Yeah. And then this wall is gonna be rendered. It's gonna look really pretty. Should we leave that hole open, you reckon?
It's up to you.
You can put some nice candles there sometimes. That's how you build a wall. This is an amazing wall, I have to say. So basically, this line here, this yellow cord, you make it so that's how far back you want it from the wall, and then you start going higher, and then pin it to another nail or a screw. The screw probably always, and then you can make it higher like this to see, so it's always straight and it doesn't go inwards or outwards. That's how you do it. That's the method. It's really cool. I find this really fascinating.